In this video, we will show you how to insert PDF files in Google Documents or Google Docs. Actually, there is a few methods you can insert the PDF files in Google Documents. First, we can insert the PDF files using links, and this is, I think, it's simple. And you can open first drive.google.com. Actually, you need to upload your PDF files here. For example, I upload my PDF files. Then we can find our PDF here. Okay, and right click into files and click get links. And by restricted here, just select anyone with the link, and we can copy the link here, and we can click done. And for best view in here, we can insert the PDF logo. Okay, first we can upload a PDF logo, and we can resize this. Then right click and choose insert link. We can copy paste our link before. Okay, now your PDF icon is content link here, you can see there. Okay, we can edit this if we want, but this is, let's just apply. And after that, we can click share button in here. For example, click save, and we can make to anyone, and we can copy the link. And while we open in incognito window, okay, the people can see our PDF files here, okay, with this embed method. And the number second, you can actually extract your PDF files as an image. For example, if your PDF file is image, and to do that, we can using software like PDF image extractor. Okay, you can get this software. This the link is on pinned comments for this software. Okay, for example, I want to extract my PDF files here because my PDF files is content image. Okay, then we can click extract now, and this is the image by this PDF, you can see here. Okay, and this is the image. Now we can insert the image by directly click image and upload from computers. And if your image is unsupported like this, you can just using online converter. Okay, just type in Google TIFF to JPG. Just select your files and select your image and click convert. And whatever method you like, you can still using PDF in Google Documents. And after you download in JPG extension, just click again in insert and click image and upload from your computers and select the JPG one. Okay, now you can have the PDF in your documents. And whatever method you like, these two methods have pros and cons itself, so you can select whatever method you like here. And that's all tutorial how to insert PDF files in Google Docs or Google Documents. And if you want also, you can using PDF merger to merge your document into your Google Documents or Google Docs files. Hope this video helpful for you.